The nozzle is pushed with a jet of water through the pipe from manhole to manhole, and the debris is collected at one of the manholes and disposed of at the wastewater treatment plant. So that debris is not pushed down the system and stopped at another area. Video inspection is also as required as part of this contract, and we do that every year. This helps us provide early detection of flaws and will allow repairs before a catastrophic failure would occur. From 2013 to 2017, abandonments, and those are areas which the camera could not get through from one side of the manhole. They go around to the other manhole and try to go back through. Those are called abandonments, or cracks, holes, or root clogs were found after performing this procedure. We use this information to adjust our maintenance route as well as make decisions on repairs of our sewer system. We can go back in and we can take care of root issues with the equipment that we do have in our department.